to Stress-Free Mommies. I'm Rose Emily, and on today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my delicious baked pineapple ham. Perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas Eve because the holidays are almost here and I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and now let's get started with this delicious pineapple baked ham. Hey guys, so here is my 8-pound fully cooked ham. I'm using the Smithfield brand. It comes with its own glaze, but we're not going to use it because we're going to make our own at home. So I'm just going to remove it from the package. And also this ham comes pre-cut into slices, which makes life so much better and easier. So now for our glaze, I'm using a 20-ounce can of pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of mustard. This one has the seeds on it, as well as 3 tablespoons of honey. We're going to whisk very well. Okay, now we're going to use this maraschino cherries. How do you say it? We're going to use 3 tablespoons of the juice. It's going to add sweetness to the sauce or to the glaze. We're going to mix very well, whisk it. And now all we're going to do is pour it into our ham. Make sure you pour in every slice of the ham so it can have this delicious sauce or glaze. I am also adding a few cloves to the ham in any spot that you like, just to add some aroma. I'm also adding slices of pineapple from the can that we used. Make sure you put all of them in there in each slice of the ham so it can add flavor and it looks so good. Now all we're going to do, guys, is just cover this up with aluminum foil because we do not want the top of our ham to burn. So we're going to cook this in the oven for 40 minutes at 300 degrees heat. And now after the 40 minutes, we're going to open this bad boy up because we are going to add some of the glaze on top of it again because we want that flavor in our ham. We're going to cover it up again and we're going to cook it for 45 more minutes at 350 degrees in the oven, and look how delicious. Oh my goodness, it smells even better, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this glazed baked pineapple ham recipe, and I also hope you can make it for the holidays. Enjoy. I'll see you next time.